How to get Nyanja and Archero 2. In this video, let me show you how to get Nyanja and Archero 2. So if you're looking to unlock Nyanja and Archero 2, choose one of the available characters you can play as, go to the Equip section, check the Characters tab. Nyanja is right next to Alex, but to unlock her, you'll need Nyanja fragments. This can sometimes appear in the daily shop, replacing Alex shards. The main way to get Nyanja is by participating in the launch carnival, specifically Phase 2. You'll find this event in the top right corner, below the task center. If you just started the game, you're likely in Phase 1, but after a week, Phase 2 will unlock. Nyanja will be a chest reward, so just complete the required tasks, and once you've unlocked or collect enough rewards, she'll be yours. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.